sheer stark drama, there is nothing to surpass the yearly salmon run. In keeping with nature's plan for continuing the life cycle, these brave fish wage their dauntless struggle to reach their spawning ground. There are many types of salmon in this annual pilgrimage. Here's an ingenious little fellow, and this is the spring or tai, the king salmon, and the well-known sockeye. Wherever you find salmon, you find their arch enemy, the bear.
You've been fishing the hard way, son. Now I'm gonna show you the easy way. Look over there, my boy. Just keep your eye on the old man, son. And away we go.
That's my pop.
Now, my boy, here's a nice, big, juicy watchman.
You are right, Mr. Bear. And may I call your attention to that sign?
So, who's smoking?
Sir, the sign says no bears allowed, and that means you.
Son, he's trying to starve us poor bears.
I demand that you leave the premises immediately.
This boy's got to go. We eat, son.
I told you to. My pop fooled him.
Watch your pop, son. Notice how I don't fall for the same trick twice.
You are not welcome here.
Hey! Who turned out the lights? Give me a candle. Thanks, pal. Well, now, Fish Inspector, here's my card. Sucker.
Come in, Mr. Inspector.
Too small. Have to take this one with me. Uh-oh, too bad. This one's too big. Inspection completed. Nice place you got here. Give you a AAA rating.
Pop, you're the greatest.
What'll it be, son? A drumstick? Lock the door, eh? Well, I will give it the old battering ram. What? Let me out of here! Help! Let me out!
That's my pop.